山からおはよう Welcome back to the channel. So today we will keep working on the watering leaks or problems related with water. And today we are going into the kitchen. The problem here in the kitchen is about hot water. Look. Cold, no problem. Hot, just this little here. Not good. Problem? Yes, there is the rust inside the pipe, and what we are going to do today is replace the pipe, of course. In a cold area like this one, we need to make sure that all the pipes are protected, and that's where we have this type of sponge here, as well as this electric tape. I don't know how to call it honestly, but it practically warms the pipe with electricity. Because we need to remove this one, that is exactly the one going to our boiler from the hot water. We need to find a way to remove it first and replace with something else. And what I decided to use is this flexible pipe, and I will use probably some of this angle here in order to connect the down part with our hot water here. So we removed this part that was connected with the tube, and so we will remove here first, insert the tube, attach here and connect outside, so we don't even need to reuse the old pipes before. And let's start attaching here. So let's reuse a new white tape. Ring and cross. So here is the pipe, and we have to connect this one to this, and in order to do that, because there are two female, we will use here this one, a male to male. Water on, and let's check in the kitchen. Cold water, hot water, and let's see if it works. It's warm enough, and it's getting warm. Oh yeah, we did it!